like on sometimes on the 7.4 or the A380, he says that the wheels are so damn hot that if you were to retract right away, depending on the temperature outside, that it could actually start to cause a fire.